The Constitution of India. Contents. First, Preamble. Part 1. The Union and its Territories. Articles. Article 1. Name and territory of the Union. Article 2. Admission or establishment of new states. Article 3. Formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries, or names of existing states. Article 4. Laws made under Articles 2 and 3 to provide for the amendments of the first and the fourth schedules and supplemental, incidental, and consequential matters. Part 2. Citizenship. Article 5. Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Article 6. Rights of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan. Article 7. Rights of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. Article 8. Rights of citizenship of certain persons of India origin residing outside India. Article 9. Persons voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens. Article 10. Continuance of the rights of citizenship. Article 11. Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. Part 3. Fundamental rights. Article 12. Definition. All definition of the fundamental rights are in the definition. Article 13. Laws in consistence with or in derogation of the fundamental rights. Right to equality. Article 14. Equality before law. Article 15. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 16. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17. Abolition of untouchability. Article 18. Abolition of titles. Right to freedom. Article 19. Protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. Article 20. Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21. Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A. Right to education. Article 22. Protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Right against exploitation. Article 23. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 24. Prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion. Article 25. Freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion. Article 26. Freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27. Freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article 28. Freedom as to attendance at religious instruction or religious worship in certain education institutions. Cultural and educational rights. Article 29. Protection of interest of minorities. Article 30. Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institute. Saving of certain laws. Article 31A. Saving of laws providing for acquisition of states, etc. Article 31B. Validation of certain acts and regulation. Article 31C. Saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. Article 31D omitted. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. Remedies for enforcement of rights conferred by this part. Article 33. Power of Parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application to forces, etc. Article 34. Restriction on rights conferred by this part while martial law is in enforce in any area. Article 35. Legislation to give effect to the provisions of this part.